Today on Redneck Rescue, we're putting the Rhino tow rope to the test. Will it pull down this barn? I think so. So this is our barn that we're pulling down. It's actually the old elk feed ground barn. Been retired for many years. But as you can see, it's got some cables on the other side that have been holding it for quite some time. Now some of the material's off, it's a little more unstable. You can see that she's got a good lean to her. So the plan here is we got two cables that are pre-existing that used to anchor this side. Then we've got a couple of straps hooked to, into a V, to the Rhino kinetic strap, to the military truck. Like to call that moving in a positive direction. So here at Redneck Rescue, we just did our field test on the Rhino kinetic tow rope. The question was, would it pull down a barn? And I would say yes. A 40 by 60, not a problem. Run over the barn. Not only do we take the sucks out of stucks, but we'll tear down your barn.